Imagine having a software product live on the market in just 48 hours. Sounds impossible. Think again. The key to making this happen is AI. It can automate tasks, streamline processes, and even create code for you. But how do you get started? First, identify your niche and validate your idea. Next, use AI-powered tools to create a minimum viable product, MVP. Now it's time to market your product. Use social media and content marketing to create buzz. But what about the technical aspects? Use AI to automate tasks like customer support and data analysis. Finally, use AI to analyze your product's performance and make data-driven decisions. In just one weekend, you can have a successful SaaS product live on the market. It's not impossible, it's just a matter of using the right tools and strategies. So what are you waiting for? Start building your SaaS product today with the power of AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks.